Right now, two things get bad. The family member, she and the rest of family member them, no want to hear no apology anymore. Cause in the time where when she did want get the respect, she never get it and more disrespect. So basically, what she say, it look like like it too late for him apology. Zozo didn't tell her to say anything. So why is Zozo to be blamed? So why Shana? What me I say, guys? Why Shana controller get up and just go do that? Why Shana controller just get up and go do that? Why? Why you wouldn't just go do them this? I mean, I tell you, say, sometimes I don't understand these people, man. You understand? Because nobody can visit sake of that dumb decision where they make. And you know what make it worse? Then do it on live. And I like then do it privately. Them do it on live. You understand? So yo, that come like just some little joke thing, brother. But anyways, Zozo say him want to hear with the family, I say. So may I tell him with me here. But him have the family. I don't understand Zozo. Him have the family member contact them. So why you not just speak with them? Why you not want to speak with the family? But you would rather come to TikTok. Doesn't make any sense, bro. That a piece of your family and you just do it more and more, bro. Them have a saying we say, when you're hand in a lion mouth, you take time dry it out. You understand? So in a certain circumstance, bro, when you not have the angle and you only blade, you have to just know say you have a blade. The hospital legally can't stop all visits. That's a lie there. Shanti, you don't know nothing about law from here, you say that. Shanti, the hospital legally can stop you, the parent, anybody from come see them patient. You can't tell the hospital that. Once the hospital have valid reason for stop your visiting, them stop your visiting. May I tell you. You can't tell the hospital once the hospital have legal reason for stop you as the mother, father, sister, brother from come visit them patient, them can. Serious something that them do. Let me tell you, say, as a people personal information that them a ramp with. A privacy law, shall not breach. Prank which phone call? I think say you want to want to get locked up. Every time they come for lock you up, tell them say a prank call. No? And you see, she call the hospital and portray an image that she is a family member. That ain't no prank. That ain't no prank. But the message we want to give Zozo is that me respect you, bro. I hope the family respect you for the apology, bro. But me feel like the apology a little bit too late. You see when time I did tell him to do the apology, him should have just sweet top girl, big up yourself. When me tell him say do the apology, him should have just do the apology. More than if you come disrespect me. Or send your friend them if you come disrespect me. You should have just do the apology, bro. So now me don't know what can be done to this. You understand? Cause boy, Brittany mother not take no talk, bro. You see me? Brittany mother not take no talk, bro. Me I tell you the truth as it is. So, me don't know how it a go work out pertaining to that, cause you see ego, real talk. That's why I knew you were lying about going to see Brit. Bro, them do all of that. That's why I could have get figure see Brit, bro. Could have went and go see Brit, bro, if that never gone. The hospital no wants no visitors, bro. So what me I go do? The hospital no wants no visitors, so me have to just go and wall out, just like him. Him have to just go and wall out. Everybody have to just go and wall out. Alright, somebody asked me if me feel like Brit mother mean or good. Bro, alright, here we go on. Me respect Zozo, me respect Brit family, me respect Brit. That's all I can say. Me not turn none of them against them one another. Them must work out things as a family. Cause me assure you, be realistic still. Brit family, regardless of them history, Zozo done get himself in a Brit family and then passa passa. So he must just work with it, bro. them have a saying we say you can't warn the cow without you can't get the cow without the calf, you know. So I just part of life that, bro. No, they no bother come because no visiting can go on. Them still a go well, a member still a go come, you know. But right now no visiting can go on. You understand? Until the hospital say otherwise. No visiting can go on. So me here, listen to me guys, so me here. I'm not the man in person that have information when me obtain. You understand? From a specific individual that is very, very, very much a part of the family. You understand? So no visiting can go on. So even if Zozo apologize, he don't get his show spoil. The show spoil. So here we go on. The apology come like it not even make no sense. Only thing him and the mother can do now are just talk. Family can't go nowhere. That's what I heard. That's what I heard. For now, and things and until things cool down. Until things cool down, them say. You understand? Yeah. So you said they was coming to talk. What happened? Yeah, but the family refused. The family refused. Sam Star, what you mean by telling lies? What me I tell lies for? Me just now go bring the people in personal business or me now go show a certain screenshot. Me no know, me I work with what them say to me, you know. Them say no visiting. The family say no visiting from no visitors, nothing like that. So them say to me, so me I work with what them say. So me not even bother go know we sake of that. Not even make no sense. You understand? So big up yourself, risky. First thing, Sam sir, you say I am lying. What me I lie about? Listen, the mother say just everybody just chill and go and build. She don't want nobody visit her pitney. See? The mother say no visiting from no visitors. That the mother say. So it's they in a fear control. You understand? So that way go on and that spoil everything. Probably if Zozo did apologize from the time I say yo, them say apology, you know. If you apologize on TikTok, then you're good. If him did do that from them time, there's also could have gone see long time, you know, but you see, sometime, bro, when time you act like you have the angle and you don't, you just need to step back. Or you just need to relax. Then everybody, basically what you say, hype and bossy, everybody just need to relax, right? Well, listen to me. I did my best. Let me give some updates on Brit now. Brit is speaking. I heard that Brit is speaking a lot of things. Brit is actually talking. So that. Well, according to what me hear, Miss Bev can't come to Jamaica. Me nah go disclose where Britta talk say. Me I make you see right now guys, me I telling you the truth. Me I go just make the family members them come talk with them for talk. If them choose not for talk, then not talk. But you see whatever me hear, me I keep it to myself cause you see right now, you see it no matter what me say, people just always have some negative thing for say to me. Even when time they see say when me I say me nah telling a lie. You see, look a while some star come and I say me a liar. Yo, Jaja, you. Anyways, you see after this, that me just a tell you know, me just a tell Zozo, say yo, bro, you should have just apologize from the time when time me there say yo, just apologize, bro. You see me? Cause if them say apologize, bro, just apologize. You see me? Wait. Right now, what I say now? The milk done go in at the coffee. They can't come out back. Me not tell no lie. Anybody know, who know, me not tell no lie. All me want know say, yeah, bro, I'm not listen to negative, bro. Me done did come say me and say, bro, me just sorry say homeboy couldn't just apologize, bro, and go see Brick, bro. 'Cause really and truly, bro, him a the right person, bro. You see me? Me no want go. Me never really did want go. But me woulda go still cause, you know, Brick deserve every little strength what she can get. But right now, probably the family right. Maybe the family right. Probably what the family I do is the right thing. And what the hospital I do is the right thing. You understand? So for now, just go and relax and just go and heal. What wanna say, chat? That's the best thing that right now. Just have it, so it look like say the family just me no know. We just have to just go and heal, bro. Hold on then. Me make up so why is alright. If it was made up, you think say Zozo would have come out come apologize? Me no make up nothing. If it was him know it's listen to me now. Zozo can talk to the family. If it was made up, why ain't come apologize? A man would have come apologize over make up story. Brother, around let me see now one night me talk that amount of time when me say that, bro. The internet is crazy. The same people them a tear down Zozo 3 weeks. Yeah, bro. But me respect him, you know. Me respect him for what he did. That was a manly move. That was a manly decisions. You put your ego, you put your pride, you put your shit, everything, your dignity aside, and you did what you had to do. And Zozo, bro, me woulda shake your hand for that, bro. Me respect that, bro. I respected that Zozo. You understand? And that's how a man should move, bro. You're the man, bro. You see me? Me only sorry say you do it when time, you know? Yeah, bro. I that kinda get to him. I just the hype, bro. You see me? Curvy diva, how me change my mouth? The man apologize, so me have to respect that. But it too late. The man apologize, and me have to respect that. But it too late. Real talk, stop explaining yourself to people. You don't own nobody, no explanation. Exactly. Exactly, Kim. Once people speak for them opinion, them a bring down people. So if you come here and you say and you oppose my opinion, curvy diva, that means that you bring me down. It's called opposition. You understand? You oppose. You understand? That no means that you're bringing down somebody. It's too late. It's too late. May I tell you, it's too late. Yeah, bro. Freedom of speech, bro. But you're bringing down people once you speak. I mean, I know how me I bring down somebody. I spoke what I heard. I spoke what I heard. Even in the video where him I say, boy, I see it, they him apologize. But me no know if the mother I go see the video and cause me share it to somebody where might make the mother see it. You understand? And I know what I'm gonna do. Me I share the him apology video directly to the mother and see what can be done from there. So You understand? But for the people them where try to put me in the middle, just know this. Just know this. For the people them where try to put me in at the middle of everything, just know this. A Brit family them and a Brit man. Me no business. That's all I can say. A Brit family them and a Brit man. Me no really business. Anybody will have a question, you can send a request to the box. I'm answer it. Simple. If me can.
Real talk.
Yeah, lovely.
Good evening.
Yeah, good evening.
You say you have contact with the family, right?
Mm-hmm.
And Brit has been on this app for so long, going through what she's going through. Regardless of how the guy went and disrespect the family, I understand. But somebody is in a mental institution and you're gonna tell me that no family cannot visit our friends?
Well, that's what I heard. That's what I
So,
heard.
all
I don't
right.
know how true
I
it is.
understand say you're here. But you ever think about it and say, boy, I want to find out for myself, yeah?
Oh, you go find out for yourself when time the family member them say they don't want nobody near. Eh?
All right. I understand that. Another question. Did you talk to these family? Did you ever ask them where have they been for so long?
Listen, me,
Uh-huh.
me, not get too deep in that. See?
Yes.
Me ask, let me tell you what me ask about. Me
Yeah.
ask about Brittany making certain statements and things like the video with the brother them a fight or me ask about that and the mother
Okay.
respectfully she told me hear her side which me nah go me did carry it on social media you know, which me wrong cause by right she should have come on the media and tell that to the media. You understand? Because people not gonna really believe me. They more for believe. They want to hear it from she. You understand? So me not gonna go
Yeah.
back down in them the detail. Me I go allow that to
Right.
she fi come explain. So me ask her a lot of questions. She
I
personally,
am
me
a
ask her a lot
I
of
am a
questions.
I am a mother. I have 4 kids. I have 2 sons and 2 daughters. And I would never, no matter what me day in America now. And my kids them they are Jamaica. And me could have never sleep in my bed one night and see me child up on the road in the condition our Brittany Goffe was in. I couldn't do it. I couldn't even eat. That's me don't know how them do it. And it's just the truth. Me have a 21-year-old, me have a 15, me have a 12, and me have a 10. And me have to talk to me putting them before they got in bed every night. And I'm there in America, me say. Much less we hear say one of them in a condition like what Brittany went in a. Would I go crazy in America? And me have to send every dollar down there to go help me putting them. You crazy? And now them a come behave them way, yeah. Them think the boy in props. Yes, he wrong for disrespect them, yes. But Zozo has done a lot. Well, me
You
not
know,
see
so me
nobody
hear she
do.
said she not have nothing against him. She just didn't like the way how him take and deal with things, and then he stuck in her ways. I just that believe me, cause she tell me say she
Yo,
don't
me
have
say when me see the
nothing
boy,
against
when me
him.
see the guy
Cause she
tolerate with
said in
what
the
Britain do, you
first,
know. Real
well I
talk, me I
know.
tell you, say me lift me. First me never respect boy, no, cause me think say he's a hype, me look off a Britain, you know. Me I tell you the truth. But when
Thank
me see
you,
say the guy
princess.
care,
But well I
pain me
know,
out, man.
well I know lovely. What me I say, me ask. Well, me never asked. The mother directly tell me that she not have nothing against him. Cause even when time she find out a Brit there at they at the hospital, she try get a number for him. You understand? She there try reach out to him. So she said during that time, he go do one video on TikTok mentioning the family. That was the wrong move where he make. Me believe say
But
what him
but
should have do,
but
him
but
should have try link up with the family first. Cause him
real
him
talk.
him can't admit
You
to this.
remember when Zozo come out and say there are things that Brittany tell him which she doesn't wish to repeat? A tears
Yeah,
run, is
but
a
me I
tears
say
run out her eye, you know?
what I know what me I say is I just it was just a moment where him did that think too fast, or probably never did I look into things deep enough. Why him come to the media first? But you see, remember, him even bring certain things to the media, like Brittany is in the hospital and certain things. You understand, which him never have to do as yet. All right, let me explain it in smaller terms. He kind of jump the gun, if you understand.
Real talk, me I gonna be honest with you. Me think you look on it one way. And the way where I look on it is just the family way. You not look on it from the guy side. And it's just the truth.
No, 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 no. Listen, me tell you, say, me tell you, say, me not have nothing against Zozo. Me respect what him do today. See, me respect that. Cause man a man, you understand? You have to move like
Yeah.
man. So me respect that. But what me I say is that probably in at the time there where everything a happen so fast, I just misunderstanding. You see what him should I do? You see when time I get
Yeah.
the message from the mother said that she would take her apology on TikTok. You understand? And just make things go back to normal. You see if him just did listen instead of
Alright.
hold on to him
Now
ego,
ask you another
everything would have
question.
good.
The other day me hear them say the family did a come out contact. Me not see nobody come out contact. No. Remember the mother don't
Cause
live
my
in
ask,
Jamaica.
listen up,
The mother
listen
don't
up.
live in Jamaica, right? But sisters live here and brothers and aunts. So the fact that she can come to Jamaica to take care of Brittany, the sisters and the brothers and whoever should be involved long time. Brittany should not reach in the state for Zozo to come and do it.
I
And if you
agree.
take them to give the
Listen
guy
up,
in respect.
me not be hypocrite. I agree on that. Me 100% agree on that cause you have
A
other
long
people.
time they pin the ball and they have to help and no money,
Long time. Well, I know. You have other family member who could have take it up for you, even if the mother or the father can't help. Me agree upon that.
Me not talk
That
about no
could have
father, because
been
me
there.
never hear about no father. Me talk about mother, sister,
Even that,
auntie.
listen even that me kind of look into. If the mommy can't make it, the father is there, so me I wonder on that same
Real
way.
talk. You
Yeah,
did see the video when Brit said she killed the chicken, she killed the chicken them
and
and offer
alive,
them and then I take it.
and alive.
Hey, Brit, hey, real talk. You better draw back for some screen recording, you know. All the people them wicked, you know.
Me not.
The family them treat her bad, man.
Bowl of me hands
And
recently a
that you
request
see the
bowl.
girl there, all that girl do is showing
Alright,
family them
our
love.
father
That's
there
all me
Canada
see.
and our uncle there Canada. Right? But me don't know if them listen, me I tell you the truth. Certain things they nah tell to me same way. So them still not tell me everything, if you understand. And me realize that. So certain things now told to
That's why
me.
me just ask you a while ago, say, why you not go down there, go ask you, say, if you can't see Britannia. Now that me just tell you.
Me? No, sir. Remember say
So me
man feel
hear the
like say
pan, me hear the pan sitting say, you don't go down there, go look for her
if
or
you see
whatever.
if the mother no say X, me nah do it
Eh.
behind them back. Me I tell you why. Them responsible them in a Brittany in a feed them
Look
care.
here,
So if
none
them
of them
say
are
no,
responsible for Britannia. None of them.
or in the hospital
Yo,
no, the
yo,
hospital I
yo,
go listen to your
yo,
mother.
yo,
Yeah?
Rita, mama say something there, bro. Alright then. Him apologize now. Him be a man and apologize. Alright, them have to move on past that now then. How can going forward, like how the mother and the daddy and him a push out look at effort for daddy then? How can them come together as one now then? If him really genuinely care for her, how can them come as one then since him are the one who are willing to go? Cause the family member them maybe not really I push out the effort for God then, is it? Or can them help her going forward with him then? If him really genuinely care for her, or can the family come together with him and help her? You get me I say? Like how him apologize now, cause you don't know it take a man to apologize to him, but is it? Or can them
Bolo,
help her going
Bolo,
forward, is it?
Bolo. You know,
You
feel
know, yeah.
say, regardless of how he come out and talk and
No
disrespect
problem,
and say
man.
whatever him say, you know, feel say the family act should have lift to the guy for what the guy do for Britannia.
Yeah, once it genuine, yeah, the family have to do that. Is it once another media thing and it genuine, the family have to do that because nobody never try help her. Is it?
Remember, you know, the whole internet sit down and see the people they crash out, you know, nobody not help, you know.
That's why I say even if you might do it for clout, I don't care because them still do something what nobody else do.
That's what I said to Mr. Eve. If he go up on his live and say he want lion, tiger, and bears, and he get it, me not have a problem with it because he might help her. And you think say me could have sit down and watch my sister suffer? So you're crazy, my sister? Oh God, man.
May I tell you the truth? For me, the family could have moved better. You understand? Because you have other family members. All right. The mother can't come down. What about the uncle? What about the father?
Yo,
What
Rita,
about?
Rita, let me tell you. If I have no family member na help her, they don't give a fuck about that. And that's the reality that. The whole of we have family where no care about that. You see, I tell you. So if you're a man who is trained to have to do that here, the other family they don't give a fuck. Maybe the mother care, but the mother not control over it because they oversee. So maybe the other family they don't care. None at all about the girl, is it? So I don't know if you say that.
Bro, well, some lackadaisical thing towards Brittany is there still, bro. You understand? Cause me still believe say in a real life, no joke, them coulda, it's a big family, it's not a small family. You understand? So, look at urgentness coulda intervene, bro. Look like that coulda go on, bro. You see me? Them coulda move look more swiftly to our care, bro. You understand? So
Alright then. Them says alright then. Look on it the way, because we have to look on it multiple ways. Because me I made it deep, because you don't know me as a man then I mean that. So me don't really trust nothing when I see in I mean that, but you have to give credit to credit due. Alright. I don't know what the dog intention, dog. And to a certain extent, it take a man effort. Because I remember saying that young youth this and that. You see, him could have fucked Britain, could have moved on, see me and even if I cloud and it's not genuine, it have a dead out, see me. But look on it the way, dog. Imagine we talking at Jamaica right now, you got mental illness, dog. And you say none of your family them I try help you, dog. I have all one woman who come around here and help you, dog. You don't believe say all a woman when she find out all the situation and she see your family them all pussy. You don't believe say she could all diss up the whole of them certain way, dog. Just by how she see your family them deal with it, you see? So,
yeah, bro.
me feel like say him wrong in a certain, but the way he maybe feel, because he maybe
Adapt me there say, you see me bowler probably at the heat at the moment, dog, where how him feel and things just go bad.
yeah,
From
cause me
this,
that
you
tell
understand?
me would have diss up my girl. Like me would want this up like family mine and that. But if me round here and sister them treat her like pussy, I'm a care dog, me's a boy, me not afraid to talk my mind in that. Me I say, yo, go on here, your family my pussy, me even want a friend, Hear that? Whereas if me say, yo, the thing I get the terrible certain way, dog, but man, with the whole world see how the family them treat her, dog, pan the life. But me no know about her mother, cause you don't know you connect with the mother, dog. So some of them people we are chat, dog. Them don't know the 100, they see. Certain people just
Yeah,
can't disclose,
bro.
they see.
Alright, you see, bowler, me I tell you the truth, bro. Me even I judge certain things off of my me talk to them and how me listen to them and for myself when me not ever come to social media and say, bro. You understand? Me nah do it. Make them keep them own show, bro. You understand? The reason why me even come live, bro, and say, yo, big up Zozo, for apologize is just because me did give him that directive and him do the right thing. So me have to acknowledge him for that, bro.
But when you would have said certain thing, that remember, this situation is a tender situation where mental health is a wicked thing at Jamaica, where enough people ignore to, and not just Jamaica, but all over the world. So you see, when you touch the topic that I remember say, the whole world, as she said, this girl,
No blessings
I
to
was to help
everybody.
her along in a dog. As she said, nobody in the help her. So even if Zozo, even if people are pre-say dog not genuine, dog, that's why I watch them people who are coming about one Zozo and low Zozo. And I'm out to no matter someone, because I want to see money that bring down the man and a screen the card and I say, he dog I use the girl, is it? So I not look on comment that, because some of them people they not care about it, they not care about hype, is it? And we build a big content about this girl from day one, for we see what she act and I say, yo, the whole of them use her, is it? You don't know me as a boy, me a long time, so enough of them use this girl vulnerable more than a year now. Me a build video talk about it. You
Hold
see
on.
it? You
But the
see?
people them not care, you know. So one night when Real Talk I do him live and them over here cuss, bro. Me I say go back, go look, go check Bolo page and Real Talk page if you don't really know if stranger care about people before Brit even get by the hype. But the people them not business, bro. Is
Them
it?
just care about the hype, bro. So enough of them here
Mm-hmm.
talk. But leave those alone. But I want to see man I bring down him man and I come in. Me can go up and screen record in more than one of them and see them I bring down him man charges. Is it? And this youth I was a youth, me see. Me just say, yo, me not jump the gun in a dark car. At the end of the day, me not believe nothing in the media, but at the end of the day, what do to Caesar, do to Caesar. You have to just give him the chance, dog. Give him the chance to prove himself, is it? Because me I tell you, say, him there Jamaica, and you don't know it's hard to find a girl with love, dog. I vulnerable right now, you see it, and I really like to she look for no love. She look for her peace and her peace of mind, dog. But man, this man is a young youth, you could have just make too money off her and tell her dig out her mum and go fuck two girl, you see it? So you see at the end of the day, brother, you have to just low it down, make it play out, you see it? You see it? Make it play out, you
Yeah,
see
that
me?
me I show the people them say, me I just reach with me. Me have to just leave that alone cause at the end of the day, bro, me did just that choice every week, see me and I try showing for them say do this, just do it, bro. Nobody play. You understand? Sometimes you have to know when time your hand in a fire, bro. You
Yeah.
understand?
Yeah.
Or when your hand in a
Yo,
lion mouth,
you know,
bro, you take your time to
rate Brit, you know. Retalk, rate Brit, you see. Don't feel like say retalk and rate Brit, you see. It's just that. A dog see what she go through. I remember say a family them a connect with the dog, you know. So I dog have to fix sense out of nonsense and know why truth see me, you see me. Cause you don't know family stay and we never go come this now, the family them but at the
No,
end of
bro,
the
it's
day,
not
the
that.
dog just talk based off of what him hear, you see me?
What them tell me? Them
Yo,
tell
them
me say
telling you,
no.
see it.
Them tell me say yo, the dog, Brit say the dog, I do that, I the the M word, bro. And at that me come say me no add nothing, me no take off nothing. Me deliver it just as me get it, bro. Me no make up nothing, nothing at all, bro. Everything what me say, bro, I what come from the horse's mouth, bro.
At the end of the day, Brit are own big woman in a dog. No,
No,
like say
real
Brit
answer. Real
schizophrenia or
talk said
whatever.
he collect hundreds of dollars for brick where he do with the money. Well, Andy, oh, you know, say me collect money. Which person you can say them send me money? Which one of you in the comment section can come put up on your hand and say, let's comment, say me. From somebody in the comment section will send me dollar towards brick, say me.
But even if them
None
send
of
you,
you can
but
comment.
you are still dog, so nothing wrong if you get it. Remember me a man, you know, me not gonna bring down a next man. You get what me I say risky, you get what me I say, bro? Me have to know say a dog really
Yeah, man,
fake.
I understand. I ask father, man. I
Remember say we are
understand.
man, you know, dog. If a woman,
Mm-hmm.
yo, make a did one woman, make a one woman in a situation, dog.
Real talk,
Like,
any of them they send them money, them would have reach up here already. Believe me. Any one of them when they send them money, them would have reach up here long time, father. Believe.
Long time.
Yeah. Them can't trick
Long
nobody.
time. Who then can check? They don't send me dollar, bro. You
So
understand?
real talk.
Yeah.
All of we up on the internet how long and see Brit a crash out. So when we can come together and say make we help Brit.
When time I put up brick picture around 6 months ago, and I talk and I say, people, me will try and help Brit. Nobody, not there, not even
Okay.
fly. Bola they have to
true,
testify, risky they have to
true man,
testify.
a
Me
true.
so many a times, me try get help for your girl. Cause me see it a come. See how Minister Buchanan there, and I lie, me not tell no lie on that. Many a times me try get help. Alright, me show you. Yesterday, me stay so, me attack. God truth, bro. Yesterday,
Real
me
talk, you know,
decide
none
say,
of the video them where
risky,
you used to make about her.
huh?
You can't find
Alright,
none of the video them
content.
where you used to make.
Me have a far enough, bro, around 6 months work. Me have to go back,
Yeah, but more, and I prove to people, you know, but more time I have to make them sister, bro. Who worry about and thing, bro. Man, to some people, bro.
bro. But yesterday, me stay so boom.
Brother,
Who
start
Yesterday,
listen
worry
to
me
some
about
of my
them
comment
nasty,
them.
brother.
Start listen to
bro.
some of my
Watch
comment
out
them,
now.
bro, because most of the people them do not care about Brit and Zozo. Them only care about hype and clout. You see me, them never care about her when, bro, you know the people in stay, brother, them are wagonist, brother. Enough of them not care about Brittany or Zozo, brother. The hype them care about. Next week when somebody is time for hype again, them fuck off with Brittany and Zozo, brother. You see me? So stop listening to somebody comment them, dog. I just saw the media, but make people comment to them one, charge. You see? If you encourage Brittany, you encourage Zozo, bro. You just encourage him. At the end of the day, Brittany in her right state of mind, and this man, on her, see me, we don't see the family member them. So here we are going to give him the benefit of the doubt, brother. You see?
Well,
And
Bolo,
facts, man.
look
And
at
facts, I talk still, Bolo, then.
Bolo, watch out now. Now show you something what me didn't want to show nobody, but me I just show because I didn't say me not care. Me not genuinely care about the girl. Yesterday me decide say, bro, me rent a car. See? And me sure say me still not going nowhere, bro. I'm buy a bottle of olive oil, bro. See a bottle of olive oil, bro. Hold on. Let's see if me can take off this. No joke, bro. And I get me there try to get a pastor for consecrate it, bro. You see me? Swear to you, bro. See that? See, it's still sealed, bro. It's still sealed, bro. Don't notice.
But real talk, you shouldn't have to go
I'm
do
not
all
joke.
of that. One to the
You
family member
understand?
them.
No, but them not even know somebody I bring them nothing here for even show you. Them not even know that. You understand? Them no know cause me just decide say me need to tell nobody, bro. If me never care, me would have this in my mind, bro. You understand? Cause me know say the girl needs spiritual help. Me know that. Me no fool. Me
But
know
but
that.
but at the end of the day, in a real talk, you can't go there go say you do spiritual help, you know, cause demons will go in and you start.
Yo, retalk a Brit family, them a whole her down that. Is it the one them in the yard a whole her down car? The more successful, is it retalk?
Yeah.
Yeah, hear me, bro. Yo, the
Let
family
me
member,
hear
them
you.
like the brother, them always a beat her and them thing that. Them a whole her down, is it, Charlie?
Good man.
Yo, yeah, hear me?
Yeah.
Me I say, yo, the family member, them a whole her down, cause them see say this girl I just rise up and make a million off a TikTok quick. Cause me say, Brit make it first, me, and I
Bolo,
know the
real
TikTok
talk
and the
no.
money can make it up. So the pussy them see say,
Real
yo, Brit
talk no
rise up
bolo.
fast. And she said the girl can make her money is it and them start get ready and bad mind and start beat her up on the
Bro,
live,
right
bro.
now, me just
You
get corrupt
see?
against everything, bro. Me just, nah, about that, bro. Bro, may I tell you,
Be a corruption,
if,
Bolo, then. Be a
you
Yo,
see,
Brit
bumper
family them
corruption,
corrupt
brother.
that. Remember say you're risky.
Yeah,
Remember say
dog.
Brit you used to support fussing, bro. Me know Brit day one supporter them in a youth. Blame them and they support Brit from day one in a youth.
I mean, I'm
So
glad them
them
have
people
been.
that can't tell me
Them
nothing,
not
you
gonna
know.
know that. Them not gonna know that,
Oh,
Father, but.
them don't know nothing in a charge. You see, before
bro,
them
not
man they
even,
come around Brit and use Brit, you know, that a big creator them, you know.
Bolo, you
Before
know
them
why
come
me I
use
lock
Brit, you know.
off? You know why I lock off all the gift a badge? Cause some pussy when I gift them, my friend. So when I gift them, if them not seen a badge, them not rated, them not
Them
heal,
not
them
rate
not do
you.
not.
Bad man every day
Me
used to the
not beg
palm
no
like
ratings
you.
alone, no. Me just lock off that blood clot. So if you see me come and you have to see gift badge, if you heal me up, go suck your mother with a. Sorry about the indecent language, but I just saw
Oh,
my move, dog.
Jesus.
Yo.
Sorry about the indecent, but
bro,
I
me
real
say,
talk, Bolo.
You see
I
one
want
Kev and them
pastor,
though they where they have up TikTok patrol Bumbo Clock logo, them man have Brit day one supporter you. May I tell you, watch Brit right through. Them man have up Brit. I'm tell you when Blam them stop support Brit, when the man start this up world dog them brother. And Brit say yo she not really want them energy they you. But them man they send their universe and them thing.
Blend them they have Brit logo, you know,
Logo
and this
up.
people all both over
Yeah
Miss
brother.
Bling all both, you know.
Of a bling at them and the man a this up RT, them man a this up world dog them
Yeah,
brother
man.
barrel. I suck up the man them wait them to
yeah,
stop.
but
Brit say yo take down the logo,
no
you see.
people don't know,
So
no
them don't
people
know day
don't
one, them
know,
just a
bro.
chat. Remember say them time we and that man just a do thing from over this you know. So them time
Yeah.
him and Brit hot you know dog. So me I tell you dog. Me I what from day